Hey guys, Damon Hunt here with Hunt Forex Trading Levels. Okay, so last night's buy was fantastic here, and it never got over this trend line for this buy, and my sell got taken out that I was in from here. Did this little cute spike, kind of wash and rinse thing before we came down to our second buy, and of course I wasn't up for that, but that was really nice. Moved out of there nicely, hit the target, ding, and we were off. For tonight, really, we have a 61.8 retracement, basically, is what it looks like here. Just give me a sec. Because we got this move up, right, and it made a higher high, so it would be considered a motive move. And if we take this, yeah, 61.8 retracement. It's right here. And it kind of sits above it here. We got a bit of a break. Trying to form, it looks like. Yeah, trying to get a break here. We've fallen below the pivot though, so whenever we dick around with the pivot, I'm not very interested in trading. I've just spent so many hours arguing with, not arguing, watching the argument between the market and pivots. It just, to me, it just smells like crap day, trading day. But let's take a look at it anyway, shall we? Okay, so what's the daily say? Daily says we like staying over that trend line. So far. Okay, H4. And look at that. Wow, just bing, eh? That was a real beauty. And we got a trigger on it too, so that's nice. And then immediately we get a kind of a bearish move there, but well, that's good. So that's the scenario I was hoping for. It's not this break, breathe kind of thing that I have written here, but a bounce off of here into our higher levels. So we may be starting our climb, which would be cool. I would like that. So how the fuck am I going to get in that? Is the question. So let me draw my trend lines here. That was such a beaut last night, and I was so close to pulling that trigger again. Where was it? On that little fake out? Yeah, that was really, really hard for me not to take. But I think I had a trend line up here, right? Yeah. And I should have taken it on that, it looks like. But anyway, it didn't hit my fib regardless on this retracement. I was looking for that. And that would have been the shiznat. But I couldn't get over it. So anyway, I didn't get an entry to get back in there. So. And I wasn't there for that. So now, tonight. How would I get into a buy here? Well, you can wait for, of course, the break breathe on this level, but I would wait for it to happen over a pivot too. I really don't like that we're falling below that pivot. You can see where the pivot and the 38.2 was. It was right here, right? So I really don't like that we're below that, especially with gold above the pivot. It just doesn't make much sense unless we're going to go into more lows or dick around, which I don't want to hang out for. Don't like that we're below this trend line again too. It's just trying to see if there's anything. Is there anything? What if I draw my trend line for the day? Kind of a daily breaky. We may be break breathing right now. Yes. Anyway, that was definitely the trade to get. That was a real beauty last night. So this might just be some kind of trying to, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, extended 5, right? I don't understand this. A, B, I don't know. Well, I don't really have a trade. I'm not going to force anything. So I'm gonna just say that I would like to check out the market because we've basically got our break breathe in here, and I don't. If we come down, if we break the 61.8 of this move, I'll be looking for. I won't really understand it basically because we've got our good retracement here. We've hit the 31.8, the 38.2, and we've hit a 61.8 on this move. We've done our higher high, so we really should be going up for this thing. But we have a nice barrier here, trend line. So my trade would be let it do its argument here, take a break, breathe. And right on up. Kind of a break breathe here though, eh? Just staying above that. What's our doing anything magical on the daily here? Oh, sitting on the 3x3. That's a fantastic excuse to take off now. We're on the 3x3 on the daily. We've done our breathe back on this line. 4 hours not bullish though yet. Wow, 1 hour's not even bull. 15 minute. Yeah, okay, well, I'm not even going to put a quick video out tonight because I don't really have anything that I'm excited about. This you could make this a daily breakout trend, and we breathed on it if so, and we thoroughly tested the L3, but we have the pivot right above us. I really don't like trading into a pivot. That's why I'm like, wow, 8 pips minus spread. No, I don't want to play that. So I'd rather let it make some room and get above in here. And this, if we get above, what's that, 2607. That would make some room. Yeah. I think it's just across here, right? Yeah. So if it gets up here tonight, look for this. Look for it to hit the H3 and have some like an ABC type action consolidation. So A, B, C. Get your you know how you're going to do it, but and then try to ride this as an update today. That's all I really see there. Gold's up. Can't get pivot up. I mean, and if gold breaks pivot today, and euro's still under, we might have it down. But I don't really see anything for down. If it's gonna break down, that's a lot of context that I think I know what's going on kind of stuff. Kind of context will have disappeared on me. So I'll need to do another look at the market and come back with something because maybe there'll be a trade. Okay, sorry, but I don't force trades and I don't see anything. Thanks.